Don't do it. I'm telling you, don't do it. What's up, you guys? It's your boy Matt back at you another video. I just want to make this really quick video because right now in the whole crypto space and even in the Ecomi community, there is a lot of FUD going on. And I just want to say this. Investing is really simple. It's really easy. Anyone can become a millionaire by investing. Trading is something completely different. You know what? When this happens, this is really when you see the noob investors compared to an actual investor that kind of understands what they're doing. And I'm not even saying a complete expert. I'm just saying someone that has a general understanding. Because what happens when this happens, you see the price drop like this, a noob investor freaks out. They start getting mad at me. They start getting mad at other Ecomi YouTubers saying that we made them lose their money, which one, none of us are financial advisors. Two, don't freaking put your whole life savings into a coin. I'm telling you, you never want to do that. You want to diversify your portfolio. Anyways, a noob investor sees this and they start freaking out. They try to panic sell. Then they lose all their money. They see it start going back up. They buy. They see it dip a little, freak out again, and they panic sell. And you know what, you guys? I'm trying to tell you, anyone that understands the investment that they're getting into, when they see something like this, they don't freak out. They actually get excited because you know what this is? This is a sale. This is a sale, you guys. This right here is when you want to double down on your investment, buy more, assuming you understand what you're getting yourself into and assuming that you believe in the project. So what's the difference between trading and investing, you may ask? It's really easy. When you invest in a project, it's because you understand what you're putting your money into, you believe in the project, you see the vision, you see the future of it, and you just really understand and believe in what you're putting your money into. Trading, on the other hand, let's be honest, especially with crypto, there are a lot of projects, and I'm not going to name anyone because I know people get butthurt about a project they like, but I'm just going to say this. In my opinion, there's a lot of projects that you can trade right now in crypto and make a lot of money in a short period of time. But in my opinion, those are not long-term holds or long-term hodls. Those are something you want to trade. A trade is when you get in to something and you have the plan already, just a certain amount of time, whether it's a certain percentage gain or it's just a certain amount of time, whether you're trying to buy and sell within a few minutes or whether you're just trying to hold for a week and get out. That is something that you can do with some of these little meme coins that are shooting up. These are good trades. Good investments are something like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Cardano, XRP. This is a trade right here, in my opinion, unless Elon completely does something different. Polkadot is a good investment, and so on and so on. You can definitely trade with stuff like Bitcoin and Ethereum, but that's a lot more difficult because you're trying to time when it's going to dip. You're going to try to time when it's going to peak out. So, for example, you might look at this and see that Ethereum's only 2,500 and it's in the green right now. It does look like it's probably going to keep going back up. So this might be something you want to, one, buy a certain amount of and hold for a very long time, or you might want to buy a certain amount of and hold for a certain period of time, whether it's at a certain dollar point, it's at a certain percentage that it goes up, or it's just a certain time frame. Or you can even do both with Ethereum. You can put a certain amount for a long-term hold. You can put a certain amount for just a short-term investment. Matt, what the are you talking about? I'm losing all my money in Ecomi, and it's your fault, and I hate this project, blah, blah, blah. Listen, you guys, the reason I'm telling you this is because, again, Ecomi is not, it's not a good trade right now. It is a really good investment, in my opinion. Again, not a financial advisor. So I just want to play this really quick, and really quick before I get into it, I just want to say go check out NFT Jeremy's page. Check out this video in particular. He just posted it today. It's called VV Roundtable Episode 1. So me, NFT Jeremy, and NFT Pirates just went on yesterday. We talked about Ecomi and VV and just our opinions on it and why we believe it in the future. And again, that it's a good investment. And NFT Pirates made up a really good point. So quick background, but obviously if you go watch it, you can see what happened. I was just talking about how I've seen some of these meme coins that have shot up the day they came out or like right after they came out. And I said when I saw them, I personally didn't believe them because they sound freaking stupid to me. And again, that's why I'm saying I believe some of these meme coins are really good trades. Like I got a really good return with SafeMoon, but again, that was a trade in my opinion, not a long-term investment. And NFT Pirates made a really good just call really quick. So you guys just really hear what he says and take it to heart. And it's, again, investing is simple. Trading is hard. Watch this.
Yeah. Yeah, I always go back to like what Warren Buffett always says, like just like invest in good companies. And I'm like, man, like I just believe in VV, right? Like that's why for me it was just like I threw my gems in there, or some of my gems. That's how much I've been adapted to this world. I don't even use fiat anymore. I'd go to like Starbucks. I'm like, you guys take gems.
You see, you guys?
Control.
Yeah, but yeah, no, I threw money into there for the coin, and like to be honest, like
You
everyone's
believed
like,
in it.
oh, it's up, it's down. I'm like, dude, like I'm looking at this like in 5 years from now. Like I don't even really think about the day to day anymore.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Exactly.
You know?
That's how I feel too.
See?
Like I don't even look at the charts. I don't look at my wallets. I don't look at anything, man.
Me neither.
Except in the recent crash, I was looking.
See, you guys, if you believe in your investment, like with Ecomi, I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. I haven't really been looking at the chart. The only time I look at the chart is when I'm looking at it with you guys. And I know people probably won't believe me, but I'm being dead serious. I don't look at the chart because, let's be honest, I know it's down right now. I know my money is down right now. Do I like seeing that? No. Do I believe in the project? Yes. So what do? I don't look at it. It's that simple. Again, if this was a trade, I would be freaking out right now. But for me, this isn't a trade. And I'm not saying you can't trade because obviously before it spiked up before the Uniswap listing, which it was pretty obvious to see that it was going to have a spike, and you bought it somewhere around here and you sold up here, or even after the first dip, you made some good money, you can get out and go on to your next trade. And there's nothing wrong with that. Everyone's going to be trading crypto. Not everyone's a long-term holder or hodler. And again, that's fine. But for the average person out there that doesn't understand what they're getting into, the most simple way I can tell you to make money is, and especially right now, crypto is the most mainstream it's ever been, but it's still pretty early because a lot of people think it's in a bubble. And in my opinion, I say it all the time, I believe 5-10 years down the line, everyone that says it's in a bubble are going to hop on. So the fact that you and me are here early, we can find coins that we believe in, do the research, just really like research and just see the vision of it. And if we believe in it, just put your money into it. Obviously not your whole life savings, and just hold. Don't even look at the chart. Like don't look at the chart. You're going to know when to look at the chart. Like I said, I don't look at the chart, but I know when it's up and it's past the all-time high, I'm going to hear. So that's when I'm going to be checking it out. But again, when it's a long-term investment, just don't worry about looking at the chart. Obviously, if you need the money, just don't put money that you're going to need in the next couple weeks. Really put your money into here expecting to hold it for a good 5 to 10 years. Even if it's a lot less than that, like I'm going to be completely honest, you guys. If this thing somehow were to hit $1 next year, I would not complain. I'm not saying that's going to happen. I don't think that's possible by next year. We're just going to have to wait and see. But again, I wouldn't complain. But in order to just keep your stress levels down, you guys, just don't check out the chart because we all know it's down right now. And again, it sucks, but that's just part of it. I mean, Tesla's down. There's a lot down. And speaking of Tesla, in the beginning, a lot of people were trying to short Tesla. They didn't believe in it. And the people that actually did believe in it, that bought in it, and instead of fudding out and just selling, panic selling, and they actually held, yeah, they got a pretty good return on investment. So that's pretty much it for today, you guys. I just want to let you guys know, like don't trip about the price. If you actually believe in this in the long run, don't even look at this. Like I said, the only time I actually check out the chart is when I'm with you. And you guys already know, if you're following my channel, I'll keep you updated on the price. And actually, really quick, just before I end it, I just want to give a quick, chart update. So like I said in my last video, bounced off here. It was here. It was having a hard time breaking through. So obviously, I expect it to come back down here and then bounce back. We might see it a few more times, and then eventually, once it breaks through, I do expect to see it go up to the next level around 0.5 cent. And then hopefully by the time it does that, that's when we're going to start seeing an uptrend, and it'll just keep popping off. But again, no one really knows. The crypto market is so freaking insane that one tweet can be the difference between something skyrocketing and something completely crashing. All right, you guys, hope you got some kind of entertainment or value out of this. Again, don't freak out. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.